Before we show you examples of how you can integrate coding in content, we'd like to show you some 3 important steps to integrate coding and content. It is essential that you do these 3 steps separately. It doesn't have to be in the exact order, but the first 2 steps is very important to do it separately. Step 1. Teach coding as its own content area. So in step 1, you would teach coding, just coding. So set aside a time for your students to let them explore, play around, and have the freedom to learn what coding is on their own through playing. That is very important. At that stage, you don't teach them any content area or expect them to make any type of project that includes the content, just coding separately. Once you're done with that, you'd go into step 2, which is you teach content area. So just like the math, reading, science, reading, writing, make sure your kids have the background knowledge and understand the content area. Now these, like I said before, these first 2 steps doesn't have to be in order, just as long as you teach them separately. Then we're moving on to step 3. So in step 3 is where you integrate the 2. And we're going to show you some examples.